Hey guys, welcome to Wickedly Crypto. Today we're going to talk about RightMesh. So there will be upcoming token generation event on February 15th for this project. So what are they trying to do? So essentially it's a mesh networking protocol. They allow direct peer-to-peer. That means you deal directly to the other party. There's no middleman. You can share your mobile device, for example, the bandwidth, your data, your storage to other people they don't have access. For example, in the developing country, they don't have good Wi-Fi infrastructure, they have poor bandwidth and whatsoever. So if you go to the RightMesh FAQ, so they talk about that the RightMesh, we talked about earlier, peer-to-peer connection, then you can give incentives to people to share the mobile device resources, for example, the data storage, and for those who cannot access. So this will be on Ethereum Blockchain. They also will have sidechain as well. If you just do the main chain, the Ethereum, it will slow down the network. So they also plan on doing sidechain as well. And developer can also use the platform and SDK to integrate RightMesh technology into their application as well. How does they come up with the RightMesh? So RightMesh has an office, about 65 people in Bangladesh, and internet is very slow and expensive. So a few years ago, when the two offices, they also have an office in Vancouver, BC. They tried to Skype with each other. All the employees in the Bangladesh office has to stop all the internet activity. So they have to free up the bandwidth for the Skype. So the employees, they develop an app, then they can communicate with one another, even though they don't have access to the internet. So this is how the idea of RightMesh was born. So when we go back to the website, so here they talk about a team of over 100 people located in Canada, Bangladesh. They have PhD, they have scientists, they have developer, entrepreneur, and also a business strategist for doing this project as well. So if you go to the team, Jason, he's the CTO. He's the CTO. He's the chief CTO of the RightMesh, and then the adjunct professor in the university, and he's also a chief network scientist in Left. Left is the mother company of RightMesh. So he is the head of the R&D of the RightMesh for this project. So actually, this project they started on 2010, so they have been working on this project for quite some time. It's not just a few months ago. So another, so David Wen, applied research engineering scientist. So he's a PhD fellow in University of British Columbia, UBC. And his background is in electrical and computer engineer. So besides the technical team, they're a very strong technical team. So they also have a decent size of business team as well, and they have advisory, so you can go through the website and all that. To me, when I select the project, I focus on the technical team because blockchain technology is based on well, hardcore programmers, right? You need those people rather than just business side. And let's see. Qualcoin also expand mesh networking platform to smart home product as well. So this mesh networking is, I think, right now they different company, they are trying to get a piece of it. Let's see. Okay, this is in the white paper. They have a RightMesh wallet. So you can share your data, or you can buy or sell data using the application. The RightMesh network is a software based, so anybody has an Android device can use the application. They can share and sell. They can buy or sell the data as well. So this is pretty cool. So, and let's see. So this is in the FAQ. You can take a look at it, and let's look at the company. We talk about Lab is the mother company. And where is RightMesh located? RightMesh has office in Vancouver, Canada, and also in Bangladesh, Switzerland, and Los Angeles as well. I think they have other project contributors in those in LA and Switzerland. So how many people on the team? They have like 35 computer scientists, professor, industry expert, marketing guru in Vancouver, BC. They also have a team of 65 plus developer in Bangladesh. Wow, they have a lot of people working on this project. And in GitHub, they just have some update 8 hours ago. So the token generation event will be on February 15th. So you have to KYC, know your customer. You click participate now. You have to go through the KYC process. This will go through a third party instead of RightMesh directly held the event. So the hard cap is 30 million. The total token supply is 129 million. And the allocation is like 30% of the which is 38 million. The price per mesh token is $1. So the phase one, they already, so February 15 to February 28 is a phase one. This is a public pre-contribution, which has 20% bonuses. Phase two crown contribution period, there will be no bonus. Except the currency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar, euros, and other currency as well. So the token allocation, here's the token allocation, okay? And roadmap, so they're pretty long roadmap. So Q1, they already have token active on testnet, and then Q2 STK public beta, and then Q4, they are going to do a public release, and then token active on the mainnet. And then Q2 2019, the RightMesh application network growth. And Q4, there were multi-device interoperability and general internet as well. So 2020, they're going to do OEM partnership. 2021, global growth of RightMesh network, and then they will have a decentralized mobile mesh network. So the mesh token use, so you can buy, sell internet or data access, and you can as well as buy, sell storage, processing, and sensor data. And also you can buy content created by other users. You can create and sell your own content as well. And you can disseminate content, advertising, or application. So here, the token generation event on February 15. So if you're interested, click participate now and go through the KYC process. So let me know what you think about this project. This is a pretty interesting project. If you want me to review some other ICO, please comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO has inherent risks. Please use the due diligence. Remember, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace.